Vipassana meditation. So once you're able to observe your breathing, you'll be able to observe the sensation throughout your body. First step to Vipassana meditation is to observe the sensation below your nose and above your upper lips. Once you're able to observe the sensation in this really limited area, then you'll be able to observe the sensation throughout your body because your mind will be concentrated enough. So to get started, let's concentrate for a few minutes on this part of your body, and then once the mind gets concentrated enough to observe the sensation in that area, then we'll be doing the meditation from top of our head to the bottom of our feet. Close your eyes. Observe your breathing as it is. Observe inhalation and exhalation. If you're not able to put your attention or pick up any sensation in that area, do deep breathing. Just focus your attention only on that small area. Once you're able to observe the sensation in that small area, put your attention all the way to the top of your head. Once you're able to pick up some sensation there, put your focus on all area of your head. Now put your attention on your forehead. Observe the sensation as it is. It could be tingling sensation, it could be throbbing sensation, it could be rising or falling sensation, it could be really subtle sensation or really gross sensation. Just observe, put your attention there. Now move your attention to your eyes. Now move your attention to your nose. Now move your attention to that small area below your nose and above your upper lips. In your lips area, in your chin, all around your face, in your ears, back of your head, in your neck area, on your shoulders, on your arms. If you can't put attention on both of your arms, one arm at a time. Top part of the arm, put your attention all the way to your fingertips. You should be able to feel tingling sensation at this point in time. If you can't, that's okay. Give more time in this area. Now move your attention to your chest area. In your solar plexus, on your tummy area, on your sides, in your groin area. Now move your attention on your back. See if there is any tension there. Observe the sensation as it is. Now move your attention to the middle part of your back. Lower part of your back. Lots of people will feel sensation in this area. If the sensation is very sharp, keep observing without reacting. Try to make your body as still as possible. Now move your focus to your legs. If you can't do both at the same time, just do one leg at a time. Top part of your thigh, bottom part of your thigh, in your knees, calf and shin, and in your feet area. Now reverse the process from your feet all the way to the top of your head. You should be able to move a little bit faster this time. Do this once or twice more so that you can feel the sensation throughout your body. Once you're done with that, gently open your eyes